Hey guys, it's Mrs. Ashton here. Today you're going to be working on sound position, okay? So what that means is I'm going to say a word, then I'm going to say a sound that was in the word. I want you to show me which place that sound was, okay? So I want you to tell me if it's at the beginning, the middle, or the end of the word, okay? For example, if the word is set, was the t sound at the beginning, the middle, or the end? If I were to tap this out, it'd be set, s, e, t. So if we did in here, s, e, t. So I'm looking for where that t sound is. That t sound is here. Remember? S, e, t, t. We're looking for the t sound. So that's in our third position. So you would indicate your answer by putting up a 3. So let's try another one. The word is dip. Where is the I sound? So let's pretend like we're tapping it out. Dip. D, I, p. So it'd be d, I, p. So where is the I sound? 1, 2, or 3? D, I, p. We're looking for the I sound. Correct answer is 2. I would go right here. Next word, sun. Where is the S sound? So we're going to tap it out. Sun. S, n. Sun. S, n. Sun. So where was the S sound? If you said 1, you are correct. Next one, date. Date. D, a, t. Date. D, a, t. Date. Where's the t sound? D, a, t. If you said 3, you are correct. Next one. The word is pop. The question is, where is the p sound? The word is pop. If I were to tap it out, pop. P, a, p. P, a, p. Where's the p sound? If you said 1, or if you said 3, or if you said both, you are correct. We hear p at the beginning and p at the end. Our next word is pen. Pen. And we are looking for the e sound. So if we tap it out, pen, p, e, n, pen, p, e, n, pen. Where is the e sound? P, e, n. If you said 2, you are correct. Next word, shop. Watch me tap it out. Shop. Sh, a, p, shop. Sh, a, p. Where's the sh sound? If you said 1, you are correct. Next word. The next word is dim. Let's dim the lights. We're looking for the sound. Dim. D, I, dim. D, I, We're looking for the sound. What position was the in? 1, 2, or 3? If you said 3, you are correct. The next one is back. Watch me. Back. B, a, k. Back. B, a, k. We're looking for the b sound. Where is the b sound? Is it in the beginning, the middle, or the end in the word back? If you said 1, you are correct. Next word is fat. My cat is really fat. All right, so the word fat, let's tap it out. Fat. F, at, fat. F, at, fat. Where is the f sound? If you said 1, you are correct. Last one. The word is less. Let's tap it out. Less. Less. U, S, less. We're looking for the S sound. Is it here, here, or here? Beginning, middle, or end? And the word less. If you said 3 at the end, you are correct. Good job.